Alright, welcome back to W Woman's Cooking Network. Hey guys, welcome back to the Food Network. I'm Guy Who's Harry.
No, you're Chef Zach. I don't care how good that joke
welcome
is.
Welcome back to Food Network. Welcome back to Guy Network. I'm Chef Zach, aka Guy Who Harry. Today we're gonna be making pizza. #1 za maker in town. Pizza. Betty Grocker's Devil Pizza. My main man JC won't be too happy with this one. Let's get it going. Let's get cracking, snacking, lacking. We doing it. All right. So next step is we're gonna grease up our pans. But since I already got enough grease up here, we're just gonna use parchment paper today. We're saving the turtles.
Rub your face off.
Shut up. So we're gonna mix our cake mix and our ingredients. I'm gonna get the milk from the fridge. Got it. Milk. They called me Milk in middle school because of my white skin tone. We're gonna take our bowl and we're gonna mix our grads. Anyways, on to the grads.
We need a new chef.
There's scissors in the drawer.
Just like in the Outback.
You psychopath.
Thanks, Liam. By the way, this is my sous chef. He handles all my lawsuits. Right now, we're at war with Disney over them using my likeness in The Incredibles. You know the small blonde kid, the Flash. Yeah. Anyways, we're gonna grab our milk. Today we're gonna be using 1 1/4 cups of milk.
It's not even a joke. You're just pouring milk. Pouring milk like old freaking human boys. It's funny, my car makes that noise when it's trying to turn on.
My inhaler. Anyways, next we're gonna grab our. It says vegetable. Does olive oil work? It says vegetable oil. I don't know.
I'm pretty sure olives are a vegetable. So you just pour it in the frickin' thing.
We're gonna get a half cup of the oil. Don't stop. Don't
Stop. Does it actually say half cup of oil? You freaking maniac. It does not.
It says half a cup. Look at the top. It says half a cup.
What? Can I see? 3 eggs?
It's supposed to be vegetable oil, I think. Anyways, can we move on, guys? Yeah. Anyways, cool. Liam, I'm the chef. Right now, my sous chef is suing me. Anyways, so we're just gonna drizzle that in there, much like you would drizzle caramel on top of your macchiato. Macchiato, Mercedes, what's the difference? Honestly, you can crack 3 eggs in there.
I'd like to see you try.
Yeah, that's an egg.
What else would it be?
I don't know, cow, wolf, or a dog. Oh, there's a bomb.
The oven.
Swish, Kobe.
There's an organics
To
recycling.
the left.
There's a silver
I'm
bucket.
killing the environment, sorry. Wait, where is it?
The silver bucket?
one.
I didn't know, but usually organic's green. Anyways, back to the show.
Not in the old white rock.
This is the trash. This is the epitome of my life from here.
Having a pretty good time.
I'm so sorry, guys. I really ruined this one. Now I'm gonna wash my hands so I don't give all my friends salmonella. Doesn't that look lovely, guys?
Count your straws.
I'm gonna give it a few initial stirs, and then I'm gonna get the hand beater in there and give it a job.
Oh yeah, that's what I call pizza. Pizza.
We're looking pretty good, guys. We're looking pretty good. Now that's done. On to the next step. I'm so sorry. It's going so bad. I'm not funny at all today.
You said it, not me.
Okay. Now that we got our batter ready, we're gonna dump it into our pans. And we're gonna get our pizza dough, start rising, and we're gonna start building pizza. So, Yep. Oh, yeah, just get right in there, yeah. Here, let's get a little more on the other one, you know? Yeah.
We have a third person. Why am I doing this and also holding the camera?
No, jeez, are you, hello? What do you want, he says? Anyways, now that that's mildly done, we're gonna throw these in the oven. Today I'm gonna be using, the Rub Gloves 300, as seen on TV. Gordon Ramsay sold these to me, this pair. I bought them for 22 bucks. It's a steal. I'm also scared of hot temperatures. Oh yeah. You know Woohoo Island from Wii Sports Resort? Reminds me a lot of that. Because you got that volcano. Can I tell you why it reminds me a lot of that? You know why it reminds me a lot of Woohoo Island? Because there's a hot volcano in the middle. And like when I was a kid, I'd fly my plane in there, and you'd be like, "Wow, I'm flying a plane inside a volcano."
What does that have to do with pizza?
I didn't have many friends growing up. Anyways,
I was not expecting that joke.
We're gonna give it 30 minutes in the oven.
Later, in the void.
Hey guys, welcome back to Chef Zach Food Network, also known Guy Harry. Anyways, now that we've been cooking our pizza at 350 for 30 minutes, we're gonna come pull it out of the oven. Oh, it's hot. Anyways, I'm gonna open that bad boy up, and the pizza gremlin's got it. The pizza gremlin. Now we got. What else do we have to cook? We're gonna make a cake now. Oh yeah. Those are some mighty fine pizzas, if you ask me. So just check if your pizza's done. You're gonna take toothpicks and you're gonna. These pizzas are done. No residue. Pizzas are done. Anyways, next thing you're gonna do is you're gonna let them cool for 5 to 10 minutes. That's so hot. Okay. So we're gonna we're gonna wait for this part to cool down.
Taste testers.
So we're gonna test your pizza dough. Or some good pizza dough. Tastes like good pizza.
It's pretty good.
I know. I'm happy with that. Oh my gosh, I had such high hopes for this video and I threw it in the garbage. Chase knows it too. I had such high hopes. I was like, oh, I'm gonna be the chef this time. And I threw the video in the garbage. Like, I was quiet the whole
I
time.
think you did better than I did.
No, it's rough. Anyways, I'm known as a pizza artist. I do pizza art, so I'm gonna do my world famous pizza art here.
Do you know how to use a whipped cream can? Yeah.
I forgot to put the circle. Still got a lot of foam left in here. I mean, whipped cream.
That's the cheese.
Yeah, the mousse cheese.
You like had gaps in the middle.
Shut up, does it matter? Anyways, now we're gonna. Tell me it doesn't look like a nice cake. I mean, pizza. Anyways, thanks for watching Woman's Food Network. I'm Chef Zach, aka Guy Harry. we'll catch you next time when we teach you how to make lava cakes.
Oh no. Do we have to do that now?
Hey, Liam just fell down the stairs.
I consumed Zach and now I have his power.
Burger. Tommy, 14-year-old, one of the great knives. There's my big cousin Tony, 16. Give me the mic. You suck.